Chapter 15. Emerging Track Technology Items. 1501 Canted Turnouts. Canted turnouts provide better riding quality, increased service life and enhanced safety. Canted turnouts may be procured on the basis of design, functional requirements and specifications approved by RDSO. 1502 Modern Sleeper and Fastening System. In modern rail networks, railway track is dealt as a system, i.e., all the components of fastenings are designed, developed and procured together, thereby improving overall tolerances of fastening system. In addition, the modern fastening system effectively addresses the problems associated with the present fastening systems such as liner biting corrosion, jamming and loosening of elastic rail clips, crushing of rail pads, etc. Modern fastening systems are often complemented with fully automated sleeper plants to improve quality through lesser human intervention. The production of sleepers and their machine-based inspections are integrated, which results into better tolerances. Modern fastenings factory-fitted on the sleepers in parked condition can be supplied from the concrete sleeper plants. Modern fastening system and automated sleeper manufacturing plants should progressively be used for better quality control and higher track standards. 1503 Ballacillus Track System, BLT. It is desirable to provide ballacillus track in tunnels, viaducts, station yards, formation in cuttings due to lesser maintenance efforts and economical life cycle costs. BLT should be constructed as per RDSO approved technical eligibility and special conditions of contract for design and construction of ballacillus track for Indian Railway. 1504 In Sleeper Point Machine. In sleeper point machines are designed in such a way that the point machine and other gears are completely housed in a shell which serves as sleeper. There is no need of disconnection and removal of point machines from the track for tamping of turnouts wherein sleeper point machines are provided. RDSO approved in sleeper point machine may be used in place of ordinary point machine to ensure seamless tamping and improved maintenance. 1505 Composite Sleepers. Due to non-availability of bridge timbers, steel channel, H-beam sleepers have been provided on steel girder bridges. However, search for a material as versatile as wood is on for a long time to avoid problems of maintenance and fitment with steel channel, H-beam sleepers. Composite sleeper is an eco-friendly option having potential of a suitable substitute for the bridge timber. RDSO approved composite sleepers may be used at special locations. 1506 Phased Array Ultrasonic Testing, PAUT. PAUT is an advanced non-destructive ultrasonic technique that permits the shaping and steering of the ultrasonic beam angles and enhanced beam coverage. The phased array beam sweeps across the entire section of the rail, weld, resulting in a recordable image that reveals defects hidden inside a rail or weld. Phased array has advantages over conventional ultrasonic, since it shows defect representation in A scan, B scan, C scan and S scan that can produce more accurate results and provide a higher level of reproducible results which minimizes human error. PAUT technology is approved by RDSO may be used for testing of rails, welds. 463. 1507 High Performance Rail Clamp. High-performance rail clamps are being used in many railway systems to expedite relaxation of the speed restriction on the discontinuities of the track, rail flaw, rail fracture, weld fracture. RDSO approved high-performance rail clamps may be used for permitting speeds of 50 km/h and higher on track discontinuities. 1508 Rail Inspection Vehicle, RIV, is a self-propelled vehicle-borne rail head inspection and analysis system for use on the tracks. The self-propelled rail inspection vehicle, RIV, can be installed with railhead profile inspection and analysis system to facilitate advanced digital inspection of rails for selection of an optimum rail grinding program. 1509 Milling of rail. Rail milling machine is meant to improve the worn profile of railhead to remove fatigued material having micro cracks of more than 0.3 mm size and other surface defects on the railhead. 1510 Replacement of existing system of inspection. In order to carry officials for inspection, a self-propelled rail-cum-road inspection vehicle, RCR-IV, may be used to replace existing manual push trolley in phased manner. It is capable of facilitating safe travel on electrified, non-electrified section. 1511 Advancement in rails. New rail grades of 60E1 profile, R260, R260NC and R350HT have been developed comparable to global standards to meet the requirements of high speed and high axle load on IR network and to align with best international practices in rail manufacturing. R260 rail has better mechanical properties as compared to 880 grade rail. R260NC, NCC, nickel chromium copper, grade rail has been developed to resist severe corrosive environment in coastal and industrial regions. Mechanical properties of R260NC rails are similar to that of R260 grade rails. R350HT is heat-treated rail suitable for higher axle load. 1512 Portable Track Geometry Measurement System for Point and Crossing. In order to reduce manual measurement system for point and crossing, portable track geometry measurement system for point and crossing can be used. It will progressively replace the existing system of manual measurement. After introduction of this system, magnitude of errors in parameters measured manually will be reduced. This will also result in time saving in measurement and reduction in manpower deployed in the work. 1513 Ground Penetration Radar, GPR. Ground Penetration Radar, GPR, survey is a non-invasive method that uses high-frequency radio waves, yielding data with very high resolution in a short amount of time which can be utilized for assessing the ballast health and condition of railway track bed. The GPR system will be mounted on a dedicated vehicle and shall be deployed for scanning of ballast and top layer of formation of IR. GPR survey will help in assessment of the clean, fouling condition of ballast, locations of bad formation etc. which will help in scientific and rational planning of deep screening of ballast and formation rehabilitation etc. 464. 1514 Unattended Track Inspection System, UTIS, on Smart Loco. Smart Loco is an onboard monitoring system, installed on locomotive to monitor the health of various vital components of loco and report it to a base station on real-time basis and generate alerts. Unattended Track Inspection System, UTIS, can be mounted on smart locomotive for assessing the track health including condition monitoring of track components, generating alerts and facilitate predictive maintenance of railway track on dedicated routes on Indian Railways. The unattended track inspection system may have following subsystems. A. Line scan video inspection system for condition monitoring of track components. B. Measurement of acceleration at axle box level. C. System for driver's view video recording. 1515 Vehicular ultrasonic system for rail testing. The vehicular ultrasonic test system can either be rail-bound or rail-cum-road type self-propelled vehicle. Self-propelled ultrasonic rail testing, SPURT car is rail-bound vehicle equipped with advanced USFD system for detection of internal defects in rails, wells. A. Rail-cum-road vehicle ultrasonic system, RCRV. At present pedestrian ultrasonic flower detection system, SRT, DRT, is being used for detection of internal defects in rails, wells which is slow and subjective and depends on the expertise of the operator. With the increase in speed and frequency of trains, moving on track for this testing has become difficult. A rail-cum-road vehicle, RCRV, fitted with ultrasonic flower detection system is a versatile vehicle used for ultrasonic testing of rails, wells. RCRV is capable of running on road as well as on track. The design speed of the vehicle on track is about 80 km/h in transit and 40 km/h in testing mode. RCRV fitted with USFD testing system is in under development stage for Indian Railway network. The sophisticated software used in RCRV-based vehicular USFD system captures, filters and analyzes the testing data to produce a list of suspected defects along with their location. Confirmatory testing of the suspected defect locations is carried out using manual USFD testing system. B. Self-propelled ultrasonic rail testing car, SPURT car. SPURT car is capable of testing at 40 km/h. The software used in SPURT car captures, filters and analyzes the testing data to produce a list of suspected defects along with their location. Confirmatory testing of the suspected defect locations is carried out using manual USFD testing system. Self-propelled, high-speed ultrasonic testing vehicles offer a modern solution to the limitations of the manual USFD system on the Indian Railway network.